Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see what's happening with Ethereum and BTC today. And as usual, we will cover bull and bear scenarios with the clear levels. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Before we start, as always, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, without wasting the time, let's dive in. Let's start from Ethereum. Market is extremely bullish in all time frames, and since the entry, Ethereum is up by 27.5 spot profit. As you remember, that SR flip zone was our entry zone, and from here we entered, we went all the way up, we retested this level, we had important fib levels as well. In the last video I said highly likely we should hold under a lower time frame this support level 1, which is 1530 and 1480 level. And as a result, as you can see, today we are up by 27.5% profit. If you're a leverage trader, you do the maths. And as you can see, this candle, we've got rejection dollar to dollar from our support 1 level. I want to draw your attention in this parallel channel that we've been following for some time. Ethereum has been in parabolic move, and we've been following this parallel channel for some time now. And you can see that, and after we hit 1480, we went all the way up to the next resistance zone, which is 1821, right on the upper line of this parallel channel. And from the beginning, as you see, first rejection, second, third one, now it's fourth rejection. And from the bottom, it acted beautiful as a support. First one, second, third, and then fourth one, literally, we've got here. And this parallel channel playing out perfectly. Moving on to the bear scenario, let's see where we will be heading from here on. I assume that after the rejection from 1825, where we got rejection that you see, we have heavy support at around 1650 and 1550 area. And I do not think at this moment that Ethereum goes and tests 1550 area. Highly likely that I'm expecting it should bounce from 1650 zone under a lower time frame. At the same time, you can see that we have a median line of this parallel channel which is matching exactly with the 1650 area. And this median line of this parallel channel will act as a dynamic support. Just in case if BTC drops hard, and we have our next support level that I added is going to be 1430 and 1370 area. It is early to talk this level at the moment because market is strong and healthy, and nothing is showing that we drop that far. If that happens, then it's going to lead a trend change under a 4-hour time frame. Before we move on, if you want to become a professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. Let's take a look at the bullish scenario. This Fibonacci extension we've been following about a month, if I'm not mistaken, and we hit our first target zone, which is 786, 1412. Now we got rejection first time, second time, third time, and we finally managed to break after we broke this resistance zone. And I provided second target price, which is 1721. We got there, and you can see that we got rejection, and after that we rejected and we got V-shaped recovery. In the last video, as you remember, that I provided this 141 level, which is $1,811, and we've got rejected from $1,821 with a $10 difference. So from here on, I'm expecting that the support 1 should hold, which was 1650 and 1550 levels, and the next target price will be our next Fibonacci golden zone. As you can see, this is very important, and at the same time we've got a psychological resistance level at around $2,000 that everyone is expecting. So I would say play carefully, level by level, and I'm expecting the next target zone would be 1940 and 2000 area. Daily, weekly timeframes are very healthy and bullish, not much change. If I see any change, it will be updated via Twitter or in the next video. If you're not following me via Twitter, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8. Always instant updates will be via Twitter. Moving on to the BTC, we are indeed bullish on all time frames since the Tesla's announcement that they have purchased $1.5 billion in BTC, and most interestingly, they are planning to accept BTC as a payment. This was a huge news for the crypto community, and today another news came from the Massachusetts solar installer that the company following the steps of Tesla, and they have started accepting BTC for their products and services. For details, you can visit to my Twitter account and read it all yourself. Since we broke high time frame support $35,400 and $36,000, and if you took this trade already provided 36.41% spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, you did the maths. In the last video, I said clearly that $38,000 and $39,000 range should hold, and this support is strong enough. As you can see that we had around 7-8 4-hour candles right inside the support level, and we went up. We got rejection right from previous all-time high. We retested week-to-week rejection, as you can see, and we went further up. Especially this candle pumped as a result of the Tesla's announcement. What can we expect from here on? Moving on to the technical analysis, I would say that we have a minor support and resistance zone at this moment. So we are now in this range, and this is around 46,500 and 46,700 under a lower time frame. And I will be watching closely how the price action will react to this zone. But there is nothing to worry about. Moving on to the lower time frame, even if we're losing at this level, we have very strong support level down below, which is around $42,800 and $40,200 range. We're going to come and we will be testing these levels. And this level seems quite strong. Before we move on, if you want to become a professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. We got this Fibonacci extension levels, that this is going to be our new Fibonacci extension level for the next target prices in the coming days and weeks. So the next potential target will be around next psychological level, same as Ethereum that we're expecting 2,000, but for BTC we're expecting 50,000 and 51,100, which is next golden zone 1.618 as you see. And as I said, even if we're going to come to this level, support level, and we will test around this level as you see, if we're going to test these levels, that previous all-time high, and there is a decent chance that we're going to go and to reach our target level of $50,000. We also have this new Fibonacci levels, and as usual it does match with our horizontal support and resistance levels. And as you can see that the price may go up to maximum 50 level, which is another golden zone, 40,200 area. However, I'm expecting that 42,000 and 42,800 should hold, where our very important Fibonacci level is 3.82. On the daily and as well as the weekly, we are quite good and very bullish. No need an update. However, as you remember that we've been following this parabolic curve for over a month now, which it started from the March dump. It acted as a support, second support around October, then the third one is around December, mid-December, and then last one recently end of January. Since then, we hold this level as expected and we went all the way up. And this has been quite helpful in this bull market, and it's acting as a perfect support. I would say that we are good to go further up, at least according to this parabolic curve, as long as it supports and price do not go out of this curve. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.